Meet Dr. James Henry Salisbury, an American physician from New York who you might have heard of before if you're familiar with the popular dish known as the Salisbury steak. But more importantly, he was known for specializing in the treatment of chronic disease and healing those suffering from serious health problems. Mind you, this was in the 1800s, basically 100 years before they even had medication for these kinds of diseases. And what was the miracle cure he was healing all these people with, you might ask? A pure red meat and water diet. That's it. Dr. Salisbury proposed that it was our diets that was the root cause of disease, and that red meat stood at the head of optimal human health and development. Not to mention, this was before sugar and ultra-processed foods became a concern. So here, he was actually talking about foods like vegetables that can accumulate plant toxins in the body from things like the plant's defense chemicals that can lead to these kinds of health issues. Now, this controversial knowledge may have been lost in the mass amounts of nutritional information that's come out over the past century. However, it's recently come full circle, and why we've seen such a massive uptick in people trying something like the carnivore diet to heal themselves, because it's the same problems Dr. Salisbury was healing people of over 150 years ago.